back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy unboxings of all sorts of boxes out there that I can get my hands into, and some product reviews, and sometimes some travel and adventure when things get better, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then woohoo, welcome back, my beautifuls. So happy to have you guys back here. And with that said, I will go ahead and get started. Today I am here with the box from Fashionsta. With that said, I will give you guys a little bit of detail about the box, and full details are going to be on the description down below. So the box by Fashionsta is $24.99 a month, guys. It is a beauty box, but it's like everything. It's skin, skincare, makeup. They try to do a little bit of everything, which I love that about this box. And the price is like super good for all the items that you receive. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. And you usually receive like between 5 and 7 full-size products. So this is the box. Here it says the beautiful Be True. I believe this is my June's box. I hope this is the last one that I received. So, and this is my information card back here. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, guys. My first item in this box is going to be this right here. Okay, and this is an age away hydrating cream, and it's from Lavido, something like that, right? Okay, and I have actually used this before and I love it. This is a super good product, and I will tell you guys what this retails for. So it retails for $55, okay? So that is like a super good cream. I really love that cream. Next up, we have this here. And what I like about this box, I have discovered so many brands that I would have never, I don't think, even searching, I would have never found so many great brands. There's this night cream, which it was from an indie brand, and I finished it a few days ago, and I'm like, where's the night cream? Because it's like, it was so good, like super good, but it's all done. And I would have never ever in a lifetime could have discovered that brand. So I really love this one because it doesn't send you brands that we already know of. It's different brands, different products, and products are good, like they're like super good. So I really like that. This is Nudia, it's the name, it's the brand name, and this is a Defense Skin Shielding Essence. So it's formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin. Oh, nice. And this retails for, I can't see it, guys. I gotta wear my glasses. Right. I'm just gonna leave them on. I don't know why I take them off. I don't like wearing glasses, that's why. Okay. Usually just wear them for the house and that's it. So it strengthens your skin's natural defenses. It's vegan and it's cruelty-free, and it retails for $36. And look how nice, and I don't know if you guys can see all that in there. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. This is what we have. So it's from Floss, and it's Floss Beauty Lip Advocate, and it retails for $18. And you can use, it's formulated with shea butter, and you could use it alone, or it's buildable as well. And this is the color that I received. Super pretty. Oh, it is super nice. So that's the color right there, guys. I'm sorry about that. That was previous unboxing video. I should have taken it off. Super cute. I love the color. Okay, next up we have, ooh, that's my next item, and it's a cuticle oil. I love cuticle oils. So it's cuticleoils.co. It's Mia, $22. It helps restore brittle nails back to health. Oh, I love how, so cute. Look how pretty. I love it. That's something that I always use. Cuticle oil. I'm like obsessed with cuticle oil. And my next item is from Makeup Geek. And it's a purple eyeliner. Ooh, purple. I've never had a purple eyeliner. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, purple, right? Let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna start using this. I received another one. It was a blue one. I don't know which box it was. And I said the same thing. I've never had a blue eyeliner. I usually do like black. I think it's brown and burgundy is what I have. So this is from Makeup Geek, and it retails for $7, and it's the purple eyeliner. And then I have, what else? Okay, I have one more item in here. And so this month I have 6 items, and my box, my total retail value is $173 for this whole box, guys. You pay $24.99 and you receive $173 back. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Ooh, I love all their palettes. Like their eyeshadow palettes are like so unique. They're like so cool. The colors are like amazing. I have loved each and every one that I have received. And this is not an exception. So it has a mirror, and then look at those colors, guys. Those colors are amazing. Look at that blue. Ooh, that blue is so pretty. That's pretty. They're all pretty. Yeah, you got to see my ring light there, huh? So pretty. I love the colors. And this is from Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn, and it retails for $35. Like, this box is amazing, guys. I really love this box. Every month I use like everything in the box I use. They send you stuff for your hair, which actually I think it was last month, it was a hair protector, which that's what I used to flat iron my hair, and it is amazing. I love the product. So with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys with a different unboxing video soon. Bye, guys.